Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to customizing text and font in the CapCut apps. So add the text, just click text, select add text, enter your text. Alright, so you can customize your font. Just click on font and change font that you like. For example, and then you can change for the style, color, and then size. You can add effect to your text. You can add the animation to your text. So that's it. Just click check mark. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.